In this video, we're going to talk about managing orders. So you're logged into your farm and you see an alert. There's a little red alert saying that someone placed an order. So that will be a pending order. Keep in mind that you always have to approve orders. Now, I just showed you that I got an email notification. Sorry for the 226 unread messages in my inbox, but I got a notification that there was an order received. So you'll get those typically in real time. Otherwise, it filters and sends the messages at the top of the hour. So if they placed an order at 2:04 p.m., you might not get it until 3 p.m., the alert in your email, but you would see it in Farmers to Florists. So then you're going to go ahead and you're going to click on it and make sure that you feel like you can fulfill that order confidently. You know you have that information. You can see any of the notes that they put. They want to know ASAP if you're going to have it. Otherwise, they'll source it somewhere else. They're telling you what the date is. Now, for my florist, I have them pick up. They get it from the main cooler. Otherwise, there's a pickup window. Otherwise, in that pickup location or additional instructions, you could put, I will deliver it at whatever time I typically deliver if you're delivering it compared to a pickup location. But that's just meant to be that communication back and forth, and then they'll see that's approved. So once you hit approve, the message is going to go from pending to active, and there is an active order. Now, once the order is ready, then you can go in and change it to ready. You're going to get another email alert. Yep, that it was updated to approved. This is what it looks like on the florist end, so they know that that order is happening. And that is how orders are ready. You can mark it as ready for pickup once it's done. You can copy and paste your payment link within that, however you decide that you do it, or bring a check when you pick up. Again, this platform was designed so that however you are already doing that organization, you can continue to do it with what works best for your business.